Your front entrance is the first thing people notice, so let's make it welcoming and organized. A clean entryway sets a great tone, but small spaces can get cluttered quickly. Today, I'll share simple, space-saving hacks to turn your entryway into a stylish, functional space. Understanding your space. First, take a moment to assess your entryway. Measure it and note its shape. Is it narrow or square? Knowing this helps you pick the best storage options. Then, make a list of what you need space for, like shoes, bags, or coats. A clear plan will help you avoid clutter and focus on practical solutions. Smart storage ideas. Let's look at storage options that make a big impact. An entryway bench with hidden storage is a must-have. It gives you a spot to sit and store things out of sight, like shoes or seasonal items. For smaller spaces, try wall-mounted shelves. They keep essentials like keys and mail within reach without taking up floor space. Add hooks underneath for coats and bags, and you'll instantly create more storage. If you need extra storage, consider a slim cabinet or rolling cart. Slim cabinets fit neatly along walls, perfect for shoes or bags. Rolling carts can be moved as needed, ideal for tight spaces. DIY ideas. Want to add a personal touch? Try DIY solutions. Stack old crates for stylish shoe storage, or use vintage suitcases as unique storage for seasonal items. They look great and help keep things tidy. Or create your own shelves. Basic materials and online guides make it easy, and they're perfect for displaying items or holding small essentials. Style meets function. Now, let's talk style. Decorative baskets or boxes keep small items like gloves or leashes organized and add a pop of style. Choose materials that match your decor, like woven for a rustic look or metal for an industrial vibe. Add a mirror to reflect light and make your space look larger. And don't forget lighting. A small lamp or wall sconce gives your entryway a warm, welcoming glow. With these ideas, your entryway can be both beautiful and functional. Start transforming your space today.